Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, where we take you inside the most breathtaking luxury estates in the world. Today, we are in Beverly Hills, stepping inside a stunning 13,000 square foot modern Moroccan and Mediterranean-inspired masterpiece that perfectly captures the essence of California luxury living. From the very first moment you see this estate, it feels like a private resort. Clean architectural lines blend beautifully with warm natural textures. The exterior features elegant limestone finishes, expansive glass walls, and a calming gray, cream, and blue color palette that gives the home a timeless yet modern look. As the gates open and you enter the driveway, the grand presence of this property immediately makes a statement. Walking through the main entrance, you're welcomed by a dramatic double-height foyer filled with natural light. The soft cream stone floors contrast perfectly with custom oak detailing, while subtle blue accents bring a peaceful coastal vibe. The chandelier above acts as a sculptural centerpiece, setting the tone for the sophistication found throughout the home. As we step into the great room, you'll notice how seamlessly indoor and outdoor living come together. Massive floor-to-ceiling glass doors slide open, revealing breathtaking views of the infinity edge pool and outdoor lounge areas. The living space is designed for both comfort and elegance, featuring oversized gray sofas, textured cushions, and curated decor that feels warm and inviting rather than overly formal. Next, we move into the formal dining area. A long designer dining table sits beneath statement pendant lighting, creating the perfect setting for hosting unforgettable dinners. The neutral tones continue here, with cream walls and soft blue decorative accents tying everything together beautifully. Now let's explore the chef's kitchen. This space is truly the heart of the home. Featuring a massive marble island, top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinetry, and sleek modern finishes, it's designed for both everyday living and high-end entertaining. Just behind it, there's a secondary prep kitchen, ideal for private chefs or large events, keeping the main kitchen spotless while hosting. Flowing into the family room, the vibe becomes even more relaxed. Comfortable seating surrounds a sleek fireplace, and large glass panels allow natural light to flood the space. It's cozy, elegant, and perfectly aligned with the home's gray, cream, and blue aesthetic. Downstairs also includes a private home theater with plush seating and ambient lighting, creating a true cinematic experience. There's a fully equipped gym with premium equipment and mirrored walls, giving you a professional fitness environment without ever leaving home. A guest bedroom suite on this level offers privacy and luxury, complete with a spa-like ensuite bathroom featuring a freestanding soaking tub, marble finishes, and soft lighting. Heading upstairs, a secondary family lounge connects the bedrooms, offering a comfortable retreat space. But the real highlight is the primary suite. The primary bedroom is a sanctuary. Spacious yet intimate, it features large windows overlooking the outdoor oasis. The soft color palette continues, enhancing the calm atmosphere. The primary bathroom feels like a five-star spa, with a deep soaking tub, oversized rainfall shower, dual vanities, and elegant stone surfaces throughout. A custom dressing room provides boutique-style storage with beautifully designed cabinetry and lighting. Additional guest bedrooms and a children's room are thoughtfully designed, each with its own personality while maintaining the overall aesthetic harmony of the estate. Every bathroom in the home feels luxurious, with high-end materials and impeccable detailing. Now let's step outside, arguably one of the most impressive parts of this property. The infinity edge pool reflects the sky, creating a tranquil visual effect that feels straight out of a luxury resort. Surrounding the pool are multiple entertaining spaces, including outdoor lounges, dining areas, and shaded courtyards inspired by Moroccan design principles. The landscaping is minimal yet lush, enhancing privacy while maintaining clean sightlines. As the sun sets over Beverly Hills, the entire home glows. Warm lighting highlights the architectural features, and the outdoor spaces transform into the ultimate entertainment destination. This estate is more than just a home, it's a lifestyle. It represents privacy, sophistication, comfort, and seamless indoor-outdoor living at its finest. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for American Dream Mansions, where we bring you the most incredible luxury properties from around the world.